Okay, so we're in A minor. We're focusing on A minor, right? So let's say I'm doing, how would I prepare for this minor and relative major? So if I say, oh, we're in A minor, relative major is C major, it means the same notes. If we were playing a piano, it would be all the white keys. I would say, play in the key of A minor, go over on the piano and play some A minor stuff. That would mean you'd be playing all the white keys. And if I said, now you're in the key of C, you're still playing all the white keys. Okay. So on the guitar, though, I might go, okay, here's an A minor pentatonic scale. Now, as soon as I play that scale, it doesn't really have an identity until I give it one. These notes, that doesn't mean anything if I do that. But if I go, playing a lot of A emphasis, right? So that sounds like. Now I went all over the guitar, but I only played the same 5 notes, A, C, D, E, G. And then why did I move up? Because I wanted to go higher or lower. It's just preference, right? Okay, so if I was to start practicing this, I'd say, okay, here's what I want to do. I'm going to go, here's 1, 2, 3, see? 4, 5. After 5, I get back to 1. Now, keep that in mind. If this is 1, that means down here is 5. And I can play open E, open A, right? Because those notes are in the scale. So what I just did there, I went, I did a little piece of number 5. Now I'm in number 1. 2. There's 3. 4. 5. Okay? So I'm going to play over this chord sequence. And what did I play? I played A minor, D minor, F, C, G, A minor. So I could have done it here. A minor, D minor, F, C, G. Okay, so I played chords from this key of A minor, but those chords are in C major, same chords. But I played A as my resolution chord, right? So if I play over it, I'm going to play all the pentatonic patterns. Maybe just I'll start with number 1. Make sure that I soak it with A emphasis. Then I switched it to the focal point being a C. I went. Like an old rock and roll. Right? Something Buddy Holly or something. So now it's C major, F, C, G, C, F, C, G, C. Then I went A minor, back to A minor. So here's the sequence on the, here's what it sounds like. A minor. A lot. Now I'm going to go to C, same shape. C now. Okay? I promise you, I'm really thinking about one set of notes and one set of fingerings. And I'm leaning creatively, hopefully, melodically on those pitches. So how would you practice it? I would do a sequence of A minor and C major, but I would just stay in one pattern. So I'd go, okay, A minor. What's that? Right? Oh,
yeah.
Tom Petty.
Tom Petty.
Something like that, right?
So
there's-
you changed the chord. You did change the chords.
When I played it.
The two.
I played it so that the first half was leaning on that A minor. Chords look fancy, but they're not. They're just A minor, D minor, F, C, G, and then I just went. C, F, that's it. So I would sit there and say, okay, number 1, A minor. Here comes the C part. Back to A. Leaning on the A. Now when I got bored, I'd go to number 2. Then minor. Leaning on the A. Pattern 2. Come C. Number 3. A minor. Next highest note will be a C. Number 4, leaning on the A.
Karen's question. So